Gencatan senjata di Gaza tanpa pembebasan 101 sandera tidak manusiawi. Saudara, sudah 412 hari 101 sandera ditawan di Gaza oleh Hamas dan warga sipil Gaza. Namun sungguh mengherankan ketika 14 negara anggota Dewan Keamanan PBB setuju untuk gencatan senjata tanpa pembebasan tawanan. Fakta Israel menilai hal ini sangat tidak manusiawi. Tawanan harus dibebaskan lebih dulu jika dunia ingin perang di Gaza berhenti. Simak pernyataan Duta Besar Israel untuk PBB, Dani Danon, sebelum keputusan diambil.
The resolution being considered by the Security Council today is nothing short of a betrayal. It betrays the 101 innocent hostages still held by Hamas, their grieving families, and the very principles the UN claims to defend. If this resolution is adopted today, it will send a message that terrorists can act with impunity. It tells Hamas and every other terrorist organization watching that they can murder, rape, and kidnap innocent people, and the international community will reward them for it. Let me be clear, this is not a resolution for peace. It is a resolution for appeasement. It abandons the hostages, rewards Hamas, and emboldens those who believe that violence can achieve their aims. To the nations supporting this shameful text, how will you explain to the families of the 101 hostages, some of whom are citizens of Security Council members, that their loved ones are not worth demanding freedom as a condition for a ceasefire? It is crucial to have a linkage between a ceasefire and the release of all the hostages. This Council has already passed Resolution 2735, yet instead of enforcing it, some on the Council are attempting to undermine it.
Saudara, resolusi sebelumnya 2735 justru mencakup pembebasan sandera meski dibagi dalam 3 tahap. Namun usulan resolusi yang terbaru tidak juga menuntut pembebasan sandera segera.
Instead of pressuring Hamas to end their barbarity, they are trying to give them political cover to prolong their terror. Make no mistake, if this resolution passes, Hamas will celebrate today. They will thank the nations of this council for validating their atrocities and legitimizing their propaganda. History will remember who stood with the hostages and who abandoned them. Israel will never stop fighting for our people, for our hostages, for justice. But I ask this council today, will you or will you stand with the terrorists? Thank you.
Amerika Serikat sebagai anggota Dewan Keamanan PBB memveto usulan resolusi gencatan senjata di Gaza. Alasannya, tidak ada pembebasan sandera secara eksplisit. Namun media massa di Indonesia tidak memasukkan poin soal pembebasan sandera. Ini adalah video ketika voting di Dewan Keamanan PBB terjadi. 14 negara mendukung gencatan senjata, yang berarti tidak peduli pada nasib sandera. Hanya Amerika Serikat yang menolak resolusi tersebut. Dengan demikian, gencatan senjata di Gaza tidak terjadi, dan pembebasan sandera kembali diperjuangkan melalui negosiasi dengan teroris.
Those against? The result of the voting is as follows: 14 votes in favor, 1 vote against, 0 abstentions. The draft resolution has not been adopted owing to the negative vote of a permanent member of the Council.
Fakta Israel sangat menaruh harapan pada Presiden terpilih Amerika Donald Trump agar dapat menekan Hamas untuk membebaskan sandera. Damai hanya bisa tanpa teroris. Salam damai dari Fakta Israel.